Hey, watch enthusiasts, this one is for you. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that's been sparking a lot of debate online: investing in watches. So, the question is it really a smart move or is it just a frivolous expense? Let's find out. Now, we all love a good timepiece, but beyond the aesthetic appeal, can watches actually appreciate in value? Short answer is absolutely. Think of it this way: certain watch brands, especially those with a rich history, limited production, strong craftsmanship, right? Your Rolexes, your Pateks, your AP, they have absolutely at times been able to outperform other luxury goods in terms of appreciation. That's just a fact. But there's a key: you're buying a watch. Its primary function is to tell time, not pay a dividend, not split a few years down the road like a stock could. The reality is, people could wake up tomorrow and decide they prefer an Apple Watch or some electronic piece of equipment over a traditional timepiece, and then the value could fall right out the bottom. So, in the end, the bottom line is it's not a guaranteed win. And if you're going to do it, you need to do your research. Now, if you were thinking about buying a luxury watch, you may want to consider looking for models with a strong historical significance, things that are in impeccable condition and, that have a loyal following. But you still have to be mindful of one key thing, which is liquidity. I would contrast a watch purchase with buying a money fund. You buy a money fund and you can access the cash the next day. But when you buy a watch, you are not getting that cash back until you find a buyer. And if you're thinking, oh, I could just trade it in. Well, keep in mind that dealer that you're going to trade it into needs to acquire that watch at a low enough price to earn a profit when they turn around and sell it. Not a great thing for investments. Also, key to remember, you're dealing with a physical thing here. It's a physical asset. So proper care is going to be crucial. Servicing it, keeping the original box and papers, these all contribute to maintaining the value of a luxury timepiece. And we can't forget about insurance. So unless you choose to self-insure, you're going to incur some cost to protect your asset, which is what it is, against theft, damage, and unforeseen circumstances. Now, here's the thing that most collectors know. Investing in watches is not just about the potential for returns. In fact, that's usually low on the list. It's about passion. It's about owning a piece of history, a work of art that tells a story. It's about enjoying the craftsmanship, the design of the thing, and the feeling of wearing something truly extraordinary. So, is investing in watches a smart move? I'm going to say for most people, the answer is no. There are just other priorities for capital deployment. Now, if the question is, could buying a watch I love be worth it? I would say absolutely, for so many reasons. But financial appreciation potential would be really low on that list. Buy a watch because it makes you happy every time you look at it, not necessarily because you want returns. But if you do decide to go for a luxury watch, make sure you approach that process with, some knowledge, do your homework, certainly bring your passion to the table, and make sure you have a long-term perspective on what could happen with that cash that you deploy. Thanks for watching.